So for printing this, we can select this body from here and then click OK. Now it will open this prusaslicer. We can press X from there. And then we can select this and use this tool. And now it's set there. And I'm gonna use this MK4 input shaper 0.4 nozzle. And it is made from this Prusament PLA. And we can do the slice now. And now it is giving this warning because there is some. This should be bridged, so we can use this support. And we can create this again. So now it's adding support here. And there shouldn't be that warning anymore. So now it's finished and now we can print this. So total time is this 2 hours.